Hey guys, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today we're going back to Only Faucet. Only Faucet has made some changes and quite possibly has become the absolute easiest, simplest faucet to use on the internet. Get started by logging in with your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet email. If you've never used this faucet before, you will notice that your dashboard is on the left. That's where your faucet, challenges, coupons, and Shortlinks are located. Select Faucet and choose Pepe for this demonstration. The claim amount should be at the center of your screen. Below it is a square box with a CAPTCHA to solve. If there is no CAPTCHA, click the blue claim button. Make sure to click out any pop-ups and don't visit the spam pages. Great, that's it. You're done. It's that easy. After you claim, your balance will be held until you reach the cash out limit. I'm going to claim a few more times. Check your balance by selecting the blue check under the Balance and Withdraw tab. As you can see, I haven't reached the limit, so I'm going to choose another coin that I already claimed out. Go back to your dashboard and select Taraxa. This has got to be the easiest way to earn crypto. I'm going to claim a few more times. Click out any pop-ups. Great, that's it. You're done. It's that easy. When you're ready to cash out, select the blue Withdraw button at the center of your screen. Submit the withdrawal and your coins are instantly sent to Faucet Pay. Fantastic. Now go back to your Faucet Pay homepage to make sure you have received your coins. As you can see, the coins have instantly arrived into my wallet. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.